Right, good afternoon. My name is John Hilburn here again, discussing another experiment for my class. Today we're talking about conservation of momentum. The materials needed for this experiment are 5 marbles, 2 rulers, and 2 anything to really distinguish left or right from the sides. Okay. Um, with that being said, today the conservation momentum. All right. So the principles of conservation momentum says momentum before collision is always equal to momentum after collision, unless there is some form of external force that is applied. Okay. With that, passing part one and part two and all that, I'm going to table one. Okay. So table one is the collision data, moving and stationary marbles. Okay. So the way I set that up was 1 and 4. So it says one number of marbles flicked is 1, and the number of marbles stationary is 4. So I had to have them parallel the 2 rulers to make a runway, and I used 1 marble and I flicked to see how many of them went out. One way to help keep them from going left or right on this one is that I put these things that I got from my office to keep them in line, to help out with the railroad runway tracks, pretty much. And then I went around, got the total numbers, and then I went on to table 2. Table 2 is a little bit different. What table 2 is asking for is the number of marbles on the right side of the runway, on the left side of the runway, how many marbles went to the right side, and how many marbles went to the left side. Okay. So the first one says 1 and 1, 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side. So my understanding of it is put 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and the remaining 3 out of the 5, I flicked them and I saw which one, how many went to the right, how many went to the left. Pretty easy, except for when I got to the fourth and the 4th and the 6th one, because the 4th and 6th one have a total of 5 marbles. There's really nothing left to flick. So what I had done was just scooted off 4 up on the right, on the left, and the 1 on the right, and I just flicked them total and did it like that. Okay. So those are the 2 tables. I got the data right here. The way I wrote it was just like it's written down on table 1. All right. 1 and 4. 1 marble went out. The second one, 2 marbles. Third one, 3 marbles, and the last one, 4 marbles. All right. The second table, 2 of them went to the right, 3 went to the left. Okay. Because I hit with the remainder of them. Right. 2 and 2, 1 and 2, and the odd one, 2 and 2 out of the 5, 1 and 1, and then the last one. All right. 2 and 1. All right. And that is pretty much all I got done for experiment for conservation momentum. Okay. If there's any other questions, if you can, please feel free to message me on the AMU message. But thank you.